In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pepperstone Live account to MT5. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your live trading account connected to MetaTrader 5 so you can start monitoring markets and placing trades with confidence. Before we jump in, make sure you have 3 things ready. First, a verified live trading account with your broker. Second, your MT5 login credentials, which include your login ID, your trading password, and the exact server name assigned to your account. You'll find these in your welcome message or inside your secure client area under trading accounts. And third, have MetaTrader 5 installed on your device, either on Windows or Mac for desktop, or the official MT5 mobile app if you're on a phone or tablet. Let's start by installing and opening MT5. Head to your broker's official MT5 download page. Choose the version that matches your device, download it, and complete the installation. When that's finished, launch MetaTrader 5. If a demo prompt pops up, you can close it. Since we're connecting a live account, we'll log in directly. On desktop MT5, go to the top menu and click File, then select Login to Trade Account. A login window will appear. In the login field, enter your MT5 account number exactly as provided. In the password field, type your trading password. In the server field, choose or type the precise live server name shown in your client area. Live and demo servers are different, and even small typos or extra spaces can prevent a connection, so take a second to double-check everything. Then click Login. If your details are correct, you'll see live prices updating and your account balance displayed in the Terminal or Trade tab at the bottom. Now, confirm that you're fully connected. Look at the bottom right corner of MT5. If it shows connected and you see data flowing, you're online and ready. If you see no connection or invalid account, go back and verify 3 things. That the server name exactly matches the live server assigned to you, that your login ID and password are correct, and that your internet connection is stable. If needed, quickly retype the password rather than copying and pasting, since hidden spaces can cause errors. Also, keep in mind that certain firewalls or VPNs can occasionally interfere with connectivity. If you're using the mobile app, the process mirrors what we just did. Use the same login ID, trading password, and the exact live server name within the app. That's it. Keep your credentials secure, and once connected, you're set to analyze charts, place orders, and manage your positions in MT5 with your live account.